Real German baked apples. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon white sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons raisins, 1 teaspoon crushed toffee candy, 4 large red delicious apples, cored. Preparation: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 190 degrees Celsius. Place the cored apples upright in a shallow baking dish. In a medium bowl, whip the egg white until it holds a stiff peak. Sprinkle in the sugar, and whip just a bit more. Stir in the cinnamon, raisins, and toffee until evenly distributed. Spoon into the cores of the apples. Bake uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven, until the meringue is crisped. Allow to cool slightly before serving.